Want to set up your own ESPN Fantasy League? Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the ESPN Fantasy app on your phone. On the main screen, under football icon, tap Create a New League. Then choose how many teams you want in your league. You can change this later, so you can pick a starting number like 8. Now choose whether your league will be PPR or non-PPR. PPR means points per reception and gives wide receiver more value. Once that's set, you'll see an invite link appear. Copy it to invite your friends to join the league. After creating your league, tap League at the top, then go to League Manager Tools. From here, you can customize everything. Rename your league, adjust team count, set your draft date and type, and change scoring settings or even remove and add managers. And that's it, your ESPN Fantasy League is ready for the season. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.